Hello friends, I am Ditishri from Subhanjit's Life and I am here in this outdoor location with my handy bag of tips and tricks. So from my handy bag of tips and tricks, I am going to share with you one tip, that is the usage of the verb with the word neither nor. Friends, you must be familiar why do we use the word neither nor. We use it to refer to persons or things but giving a negative meaning to the verb. Okay? For example, you can say neither Sarah nor Peter was present in the seminar. Okay? But friends, there is a common mistake which is made by all of us while we select the verb in using with the word neither nor. Okay? Suppose I tell you neither the students nor the guide were found present in the common room. Now you must be thinking that this is a correct statement and all the words are in its correct form and verb is also correct. But no, there is actually a mistake in this sentence. The rule that we are going to discuss now will tell us about the mistake and it will explain to us how to actually use the verb in a sentence having the word neither nor. Okay? So whenever we have the word neither nor, the verb will come in accordance with the nearest subject. Okay? If the nearest subject here is singular, then the verb will also be singular. And if the nearest subject is plural, the verb will also be plural. So the example which was stated just a few seconds before was wrong. And the correct example will be neither the students nor the guide was found present in the common room. Now you might question me, what is the correction done in the statement? Okay, so the verb is actually corrected. Now you see the nearest subject, which is the guide, okay, is singular and hence we are using the singular form of verb and that is was. Okay friends, now let's try to analyze a different case, okay, where we interchange the subject and see what will be the form of the verb. Now when I interchange the subject, the sentence will become neither the guide nor the students were found present in the common room. Now what is the change that I have made here? Here the change was that I have interchanged the subjects and now the nearest subject is the students, which is plural, and hence we are using the verb form also plural and that is were. So friends, there is a short note also or you can say an important point which you have to remember is that this rule is also applicable when you come across words like either or, not only but also, or none but. Okay? So friends, please do keep in mind the important point is that the nearest subject should be near with the verb. Okay? Okay friends, now let me give an exercise for you all to try and the question is neither the girls nor the boy was were to blame for the accident. Okay? You have to identify the correct verb form in this question and I give you 3 seconds to solve this question. Okay friends, your time is up. I hope you all were being able to correctly solve the question. Now let's try to do it together. The correct answer will be neither the girls nor the boy was to blame for the accident. Now the question that you might ask me is why the verb form was? Because the nearest subject here is the boy, which is singular, and hence we are using the singular form of the verb, that is was. Now if I tell you, let's interchange the subjects and see what the case becomes. Okay? If we interchange the subject, then the statement will become neither the boy nor the girls were to blame for the accident. Now here, why have I used the verb form were? Because the nearest subject here is the girls, which is plural, and hence the verb form used is also plural and that is were. Friends, I hope this small tip was useful to you all. For more tips and tricks, you have to wait for our next videos. There is also a good news, that is we are soon launching our English video classes on all the topics with full description. Okay? For more updates on the videos, please do visit our website, which is blinking below, and along with that, please do like our videos and subscribe our channel. So friends, with this I'd like to wind up today's session. I'll be back with more tips and tricks for y'all. Till then, take care and goodbye.